Hi guys, Omar here with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So today is gonna be a video on the secret sort of test menus that you get. Before I forget, subscribe and also hit the bell icon to be notified of any new videos that I post. So you go into your phone, you type in *#0*# and then that brings you up to this screen. At this screen you can select the options here to test different things. So obviously if you've got a dead pixel, you need to know which one it is. Then you can go in red, blue, green, black, you know, things like that. Sometimes you have to select the power button to get off the menu, and you've got different things that you can go into. This is just a grip. So if I was to hold on to it, let me just show you. Oh, there you go. So if I hold on to it, it then senses that I'm holding on to it, and it essentially starts to buzz. So essentially you've got the speaker. It can show you which speaker, because obviously speakers on the bottom and the top. You can select this and then it'll start to play music or whatever through each of the speakers, and what that'll mean is that you can determine which speaker is not working or whatever that situation is. Vibration is obviously vibration. You've got a receiver which tests the receiver for you to hear. You don't have anything for the bottom here. You've got different things like, I don't know what a sub key is, or a whole ICs test. Don't know what that is. But yes, MST test. Interesting. So yeah, this is just a menu that you can use to determine, to troubleshoot what kind of problems that you have with your screen, or even with your phone if you do have them. That was just a quick look at how to check your phone for any problems and troubleshoot any issues that you may have using this sort of hidden / secret menu. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.